Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, look at this. They are now finished with the renovation improvement in this walkway park. Yeah, it's beautiful. They changed the floorings. Yeah, nice. Oh, look at this. If you can see this rack that I have in my bike, it is really nice. Yeah, you notice this is where I put my camera and other things. Like now I have my cappuccino. Yeah, I put a cup holder. One moment, we stop here. Yeah, so basically I put this one here so that I can put my cup like a holder. Yeah, that is how it works. And they tie it with a zip tie, Yeah, it's nice. It is still moving, but it is still in place, so it will not spill. Just more than a month since I come back from my bike packing, and they are already done so many changes in here. On that side they improved the children's playground, and in here they put this, the water where you can drink water. Okay, let me give you a proper view of the setup of my bike. So as you can see, this is a electric bike. The brand is Cube, and yeah, this is powered by Bosch. The motor is in there. This is hydraulic brakes, really nice looking for me. And I have this light. I bought it from eBay. I bought it from 99 Bikes. I bought it in a shop in Salamander Bay. I bought it in Kmart. Yeah, water bottle. I'm going to remove that because not good not good looking really. This is what I want to show you. This is the basket. This basket I bought it from Kmart for maybe around $5 or $3, and I just put it there with some zip tie. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zip tie. Yeah, and I put a little rubber here so that it will not move. And yeah, I put this. So basically this is where I put my things when I'm on my bike. This one is a big help when I was traveling before. If you don't know, I did a bike packing trip with this bike, and I never encountered any problem aside from the flat tire. Yeah. Oh wow, just now I noticed that it's already sworn. What is that? Worn out, already worn out. Yeah, I have this for almost 2 months now. Yeah, it is because of the road that I went through during the bike packing trip. Good morning, guys. How are you today? I hope you're having a good time like me. Yeah, we're just going to roam around the area. I am day of today. Look how I'm going to bust through here. We go this way. Oh yeah, we're just going to roam around the area, but first I'm going to go to the Corlet store. I'm going to buy a fish and chips. I am hungry. Yo, and I got my fish and chips. We're just going to find a place to eat this fish and chips in front of the beach, maybe. Okay, we just eat it here in my always rock rack. Yeah, where I usually stay before getting to work. This is $13, including the soft drinks. Okay, that's it for today here. I didn't finish everything because I taste there's so much salt and seasoning in this. The garbage is far, but here we go in there. And we are back here in quality store. We're going to buy a cappuccino. Whoa, look at this. I've shown it to you yesterday that they already done with this one. Yeah, it's really nice looking. But on this side is still under construction. Yeah, in the coming days for sure this is going to be perfect looking. What are you cooking, Seth?
Just nilaga.
Yeah.
Nilaga for our dinner.
I didn't cook this, you go cook this. There's bina and wrap. Eh di ba bawal daw maghugas pag hindi pa nakakatulog, sabi?
Hindi rin.
Good morning, guys. Yeah, I'm going to play the music. And yeah, this is from last night. I didn't watch last night because I was lazy. Yeah, the guys was here last night. It was Rafael, Rap, Enigo, and Devina. Yeah, basically I cook rice and pancit, noodles, and Inigo he brought his nilaga. Yeah, so I'm going to clean that, play the music, and we'll see you later.